Welcome everybody to our 30th Udemy course. My name's Chris, and in this course we're going to be talking about something you guys have requested. I'm very excited. We're going to be talking about the difference between, should you join Uber or Lyft? I'm actually going to have the answer to that right away in the first lesson. But in this course, I have a bunch of sticky notes here I've written down. I'm actually signed up with both. I'll tell you why. And I'm going to be talking about a bunch of different pointers that you can apply to your own, whether you choose Uber or Lyft, and hopefully you get something out of this course you can apply to yourself. The overall goal through this course is to get you into the top 1% within the city you're from, and that's something I've done, and I think these tips are pretty helpful. This is actually going to be the whole course. We're actually going to be in this room. It's a little different location than normal. Feel free to check out our other courses. We do a lot of how-to courses, cooking courses, cryptocurrency courses, that kind of thing. But this is something you guys provided us with, you'd like us to share about and talk more in depth about. And hopefully you'll be able to pull something from it and make some money by driving for Uber or Lyft in this course coming up.